To find out about my upcoming events and workshops that are subsidised for small business in WA, Queensland and Northern Territory, head to businessstation.com.au, type in the search box Joe Saunders, click on my face, you'll see here with the blue hair, and you'll come to my profile. On my profile, you can scroll down here, and to the right, you'll see contact, which allows you to send an email through the system, social links, book me through the program. So this allows you to book a 1-hour session that's subsidized through this program. And you can book up to 2 per month, up to 24 hours across the program, which also includes events. So if you want to see what workshops are coming up, you'll see the Find Events by Joe link here. Down the very bottom, my next event will be listed here along with my link to a blog, my latest blog, which is this one here. So if you click on the Find Events by Joe, it will show you all the events for the rest of 2020 because they're all in the system. So scroll down and you can see the next one is profile building, and then I've got the networking workshop and lead gen, kickstart your content marketing, which is a general content marketing idea generation workshop. And then you put that into application the following week at the LinkedIn marketing and content workshop. Email marketing is the next one after that. LinkedIn for your business. So this is where we go through business pages and content for your business. And then we've got back to LinkedIn networking and lead gen, LinkedIn profile building, content marketing again, content marketing on LinkedIn. So you can see I've got a few different things here. I do repeat them from time to time. So if you miss one, you'll look out for the next one. And I've even got one in the system for January next year. So there you go. Getting quick because places do book out, and I look forward to seeing you there. Now, these are all online. Hopefully sometime in the near future, face-to-face events will be back. Now, if you would like to book a workshop for a group of people, if you can gather together 8 business owners with an ABN that would qualify under the program and they can register, then I can run a workshop for you. And this can be in-house potentially. So if you'd like to host a workshop in partnership, let me know and we can put something together to suit your needs. And it could be a couple of back-to-backs. It could be we could do a day's training where we spend 2 hours on the profile, 2 hours on networking, and 2 hours on content. So 3 workshops for the grand total of, let me get my maths, of 30. It's almost $35, about $35 a workshop. So times 3, there you go, less than $110 for 3 workshops per person, which is awesome value. So there you go. So I look forward to seeing you, and if you've got any questions, get in touch and feel free to book me for a one-on-one if you want me to review your profile, you want to pick my brain, you want to learn something very specific about LinkedIn, content marketing, personal branding, social media in general. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you again.